Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Flipgrid. If you are new to Flipgrid, this is a program that allows you to have students record themselves. So for students, they would enter your code that you generate here. For us as teachers, we use the educator login. If you are new to Flipgrid, of course, you would click sign up today and sign up for a free account to get started. Click sign in with Google, keeps everything nice and easy, and here you go. As you can see, I already have some Flipgrid classes. So a few things you need to know is there's a paid account and a free account. In the paid account, you can have multiple grids. In the free account, you can only have one grid. I will open my grid that I've used previously just to show you. So I'm making it active, and I'm going ahead and clicking in. Now, the first thing you will do when you start your new grid is begin by adding a topic. You click here to add a new topic. Your topic is whatever you would like your students to create videos about. For example, students could make a book reflection. So you will talk about a book reflection that could be talking about the main idea of a book, an inference about the book, talk about a prediction, talk about what you like, don't like, whether you recommend the book. You could ask them to do a lot of different things. You can add or subtract from the minute and 30 seconds. That is the standard amount of time when you want your topic displayed. And then here you would give the directions of the students. This is where you would say, talk about the main idea, discuss whether or not you recommend the book, or whatever else you would like your students to do. I'm going to do discuss whether or not you would recommend the book. Of course, you can also orally give any directions you would want to give. Now, this is whether or not the topic is active. You can close it down when you're done doing it. Topic resources. This is whether you want students to record videos on the fly, if you want them to upload videos they've already created, which is good for iPads, and then they can add videos and emojis and other things from other places. You can attach an external link. So for example, if you have a Google Doc where you typed up all your directions or an assignment that this goes with, you can add it here. Other features for the student responses is whether or not they can add stickers, drawing, and other fun things to their selfie when they're done, whether or not students can put emojis as reactions or like each other's videos when it's done. In the paid version, students can reply to one another. This cannot be done in the free version. Whether or not the students can add links to their videos, whether or not you want the number of views the student has had displayed, and whether or not you want a response title. Other features include you being able to give feedback and your privacy settings for your topic. Then you go ahead and click Create Topic. It gives you this information. This is for your grid. Your grid is all the topics that you have created, and this is a link to the topic directly. So that's that particular assignment. So this is kind of like your whole classroom, and this is the specific assignment. I would then copy and paste this link into Google Classroom to give it out to students. So now, this is where your students' videos will start to appear. I'm going to show you what one example of my students' videos look like. Here we go. So what I have is a list of all the students, what they've created. I usually ask my students not to put their last names. They put their just first name and last initial. Here is an example of a student self video.
In coding club, we did a lot of computer science and coding on Scratch, and that was really fun. We learned how to code using Scratch, and
that's enough of that, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Now, I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like to create a video. This is what the student screen would look like to create a video. The students will click the plus sign. They have to click allow for using the microphone and the camera, and it opens to where they then can create their video. They click the record button to start their video. This allows them to self-record, where you then begin to hear their voice and what they are really thinking. They then get to review their video. This allows them to take a picture to be displayed. They love taking their selfies. They can then decorate their selfie, put whatever little pictures they want on it, make it cute and fun. There's all different emojis, wigs, all sorts of props they could put on, whatever they like. And then they go ahead. This is where I ask them to put in their first name, last initial, and the rest of it they don't have to do, and click submit. It's submitted to the teacher in your grid. And that's all there is for the student end of it. Then back on the teacher end, this is the book reflection. I clicked share topic. You can share the URL right into Google Classroom. Now I'm going to refresh this, and there you have the video that was just created. And that's really how easy it is to use Flipgrid. I hope you find this helpful. Have a great day.